The AIT program at EmpRes prepares professionals to become administrators in the long-term care industry.
We take folks who have an interest in healthcare or are already working in healthcare and bring them into one of our centers and mentor with one of our leaders. And during the program, they will shadow each department so they learn exactly how to operate a skilled nursing center.
You have the opportunity to train with basically every department of the center. You get to see intricately how housekeeping functions, how the business office functions, clinical, being a CNA on the floor, cooking the food in your center, which I just think makes you set up for a well-rounded success in that career and being able to drive the building forward.
Our goal for our administrator and training program is that we train and develop new leaders. As we are an aging industry in our workforce today, we are looking for those who either want to restart a career or are starting their career. We are looking for individuals who have a bachelor's degree or are earning their bachelor's degree in some healthcare field or business. It is a paid position.
Our applicants should be willing to relocate to any one of our centers in the 8 states that we operate in and be committed to EmpRes for 2 years after their graduation.
If you want a challenging career, but also something that's very rewarding and something that is going to have the ability to touch many lives, you can't go wrong with this. And we need you. In this current industry, these residents, these elderly residents, they need you.
Discover your opportunity today at EmpRes.com.